Got you clean. Copy paste. Without a timeline, direction, emotion, and pause is exactly how you asked. If you're a beginner on YouTube and you're not getting views, you're probably making this mistake in the first 3 seconds. Yeah, that fast. Problem, most beginners think it's the YouTube algorithm, or their niche, or bad luck. No, that's not it. People click, and then they leave. Not because your video is bad, but because you didn't hook them. Stay with me, because at the end of this video, I'm gonna show you how this one idea can get you views for years. Yeah, for real. I call it the Green Machine. You didn't know. You didn't know. Here's what beginners do. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Too late, they already gone. Boom like that. Boom like that. You only get a few seconds to prove you matter. If you don't, YouTube don't care, and neither does the viewer. So you upload, you refresh, you check your views, still nothing. Now you're thinking, maybe I'm not cut out for this. So you switch everything. New niche, new ideas, new style. Same results. That ain't the problem. Your video didn't fail at the end. It failed at the beginning. A good hook is simple. Say a problem. Make a promise. Give a reason to stay. That's it. No magic.
Today we're gonna talk about YouTube tips.
Nobody cares.
If your videos aren't getting views, this is why.
Now they listen.
Now they listening.
Boy, I tell.
You're not just making videos, you're holding attention.
That's the game.
If you can't hold attention,
You can grow on YouTube.
now let me show you something most beginners never learn.
This right here,
It's evergreen content.
toast out.
This is the Green Machine.
It means you make videos.
That solve problems people will always have.
Not today.
Not this week.
Forever. Lock in. Beginners will always struggle with getting views and hooking people fast. That means this video never expires. So teach you on, girl. Over and over and over again is the Green Machine. The teach Barthy. Over and over and over again. And that's the Green Machine. Over. Barthy. It's ugly. Simon. But don't miss the candle. If your ceiling's about crawling YouTube, and you don't want your channel to fade out like most beginners do, click his next video when you want to go P-Bear. Or an email less than Ella Pitco. Is where real game is. The Green Machine. Understand?